Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a new location in VendSoft. Start by navigating to the location screen. Click on the Create Location button to open the location creation page. Let's start by filling out the basic information. In the code field, input an alphanumeric identifier for the location. If you don't have a numbering scheme, you can accept the sequential number automatically generated by VendSoft. Enter the location's name. Fill in the address details, including address line, city, state, zip, and country. These details help pinpoint the location on the map. Under Contact Details, you can add the contact person's name, phone number, and email at this location. Add any relevant notes about the location in the Notes section. Define the working days for this location. This helps in predicting product sales accurately. If you are paying a commission to the location owner, you can define the commission rate in the Commissions section. You have options like a percentage of gross sales, gross profit, cash collected, a monthly fixed amount, or per item sold. Set up the tax rates for this location. You'll need to create tax types on the configuration screen first. For visit scheduling, use the service pattern section. Choose between daily or weekly visits, and specify the frequency. Once you've entered all the data, click Save. The location will be added and shown on the map in VendSoft. And that's it. You've successfully created a new location in VendSoft. Thanks for watching.